What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I'm in Norman, Oklahoma. Well, what could I be doing in Norman? What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to talk a little bit. I just got an email from my attorney, so I'm literally going by here just to get some footage. We're going to talk about it, about what I'm doing if I'm pursuing legal cause of action against Collision Works, and i.e. Gerber Collision now, for the non-response. So you guys remember a while back that my attorney submitted a demand letter to both Collision Works' corporate office and Gerber Collision, being that Gerber did buy them. And at this point, there wasn't a decline, there wasn't a negotiation, there was just no response. So yeah. So if you're ever in Oklahoma, I would tell you to avoid this place like the plague. Don't bring your car here if you got hail damage. I implore you not to mess with them, because I literally watched them take a 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack that had minor damage and destroy a $50,000+ car with their Mickey Mouse ass work. So this is the shop here in Norman, Oklahoma, Collision Works. Now it is owned by Gerber Collision. Now, why am I saying that? Why would I say, hey, you shouldn't do business with them? Because, I mean, you could do business with whoever you want. I can't tell you who and who not to do business with. The only thing I can tell you is if you bring your car there, more than likely they're going to destroy it. From what I've been told, and nobody from Gerber has reached out to me, the same people are still there. They haven't fired anybody. They haven't cut anybody loose for destroying a $50,000 car. Nobody got in trouble for driving my car, at least at this point, over 100 miles an hour. There's a whole, if you're just seeing this video and you've never seen the story of what happened to the Green Monster and all of that, I'm going to create a playlist. I will do it. And maybe by the time you guys see this, the playlist will already be there, of everything that happened to the Green Monster and the Mickey Mouse ass job that Collision Works did with my car. Like I said, just a horrible business, and people lie straight to your face. And like I said, the work speaks for itself. You can look at the videos, and I guess, maybe they did a good job for trying to hide the fact that they wrecked my car. Maybe, I don't know. It's just really aggravating to me to know that my insurance company recommended this shop, told me to bring it to this shop, and then it gets destroyed. And then, they're going to buy it. It's not going to go to salvage auction, but then it is going to go to the salvage auction, so I want to retain it. Let me buy it. That's an issue at USAA. But the fact that, Gerber was like, yeah, if you see any more tolls or tickets or anything like that from when your car would have been in our custody, send it over to us and we'll take care of it. It's a little aggravating to me that when we submitted that stuff to Gerber now, that it wasn't responded to, which, after speaking with David, who's my attorney of record, he was like, fuck that, send them a demand letter. You want all of that money, plus you want this money for them damaging your brand. Your name was all over that car. They were hot rodding your car at over 100 miles an hour on public roads, the tolls, everything else that I had to deal with. And, there's like almost no repercussion, no consequences for these son of a bitches. So where I'm at with it is, my attorney told me to go ahead and make this video today, so I am. And, in the event that David does not hear back from them, or they don't reach out to us or me directly, within the next 3 days, David is going to file a civil cause of action against them in Oklahoma. Sorry. It is what it is. And I know you guys have said, well, you've been too nice, TK. You should have been sued them. Yeah, I could have been sued them, as you guys would say it. Been sued their ass. But, look, man. To be honest, when the stuff was going on, when Gerber found out how bad it was, at least the person that I dealt with, who's an executive, very similar to when I dealt with the different executives at USA. The executives are really nice. It's the other little cogs in the wheel that fuck everything up, right? It's the people that you expect to do their job that don't do their job that really screw it up for everybody else. So, just facts. Sorry, some people won't like that, but that's just facts. But anywho's, that's what's going on with it. I wanted to give you guys an update video. You guys asked about it. I said I was going to talk about it, and I'm here in town, and I am tempted to go by there and ask them where the seats to my car is. But you know, we did do that special delivery of that box, and I don't want to beat somebody's ass today. Someone might get in their feelings and want to throw hands, and I don't want to beat somebody's ass today. So at this point, I'm just going to let the lawyers handle it, and they can fight for my expenses and all the money that was wasted by these SOBs, and we'll just go from there. It just sucks. I mean, it's really aggravating, but you know, it just is what it is, man. But I wanted to give you guys an update on it. There you guys have it. You guys might think it's funny that I'm that I'm right here. But if you are in Oklahoma City or Norman, Oklahoma, or Oklahoma period, you guys share this on Facebook pages. Put it all over the area in Oklahoma so that people know about it. Do not, like, if you bring your car there for major work to minor work, there is the possibility that they're going to destroy your car. I know that because they destroyed mine. So there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I truly appreciate you guys tapping in with me today, and I will catch you guys on the very next video.